I've just had another delivery. I ordered these quite a while back. So that black on there, and they are here. There, a little box, a big box, and a medium-sized box. So we're going to open these. Yeah. Here we go. Open the box. You know, last time I filmed something, opening the box, it all went tits up, didn't it? And I'll tell you what it is, I can't believe what I ordered. It's come in all these boxes, to be quite honest with you. Why such big boxes? For this paper. Don't worry about it. Look! You're joking. No wonder Planet's knackered. What I'll do, I'll open them all and open the box. Open the box. And then we'll... oh God, they're fucking heavy. Jesus. Oh. More crap. Ew. OMG. Jesus. Yeah, I don't know. Rendering upside down. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Now this will probably give away what I've got. So I think what I'll do, he's not opening it. Right. He says on bloody front anyway. Oh gee whiz. We have got some how do you open them? Ah, like that. Have you guessed yet? We've got some. God, they can't get in them. Shiny newness brake disc. Jesus Christ, they're heavy. Newness, you know. They are for the front, if anybody likes to know. Obviously, two of. God, they're heavy then. No wonder fucking vans weigh a ton. They are Ridex, you know. Ridex, you know. They've got these wrong way around. I think these are the high performance quality bestseller. These are these are your brake pads. So they go with them like that. I can't get overweight of these fucking things. I bet you don't know what these are. Well, bang us the surprise. Dumped it. Look at that. Oh, God, they look a bit big then. I think they're a bit big. Oh dear. I must admit I haven't had any wheels off, but even so, oh, I don't know. No. Right, I'm just letting you know I will not be doing any of this work. For a simple reason, I haven't got a clue how to do it. And not only that, it's the only thing that stops you in it. So I am going to take it to my regular mechanic who does my MLTs and everything, CNS coaches, and they're going to do it. I haven't booked in yet, obviously, but I'm going to have to wait till May. No. Yeah, maybe May. It's money in it to pay for the mechanic, you know what I mean? And yeah, I don't fancy it, to be honest. Right, there's another box. Let's open the box. It's this one, you know. We all know what they are, don't we? Shoes. I can't get over the size of them. Oh my God. God, I hope I've got right ones. Right, so that's it. That's me open the... Right, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I've done that there. Oh, under there, look. So that's all right. I'll put things under. God. Yeah, bit of copper pipe, you know. There you are. It's one thing out at the road, isn't it? What else can I put under there? I can put all sorts, can I? I'll find something. Right. Right, that's it. That's me open the box. Oh, I didn't open that one, did I? Well, it's the same, and it's one of them, it's a drum. So I need to say I'll be doing brakes. Well, I won't be doing brakes, somebody else will be doing brakes. I don't want to mess with him at all. I really don't. And I know Alex, TTX Ella, he's just done his. I wish I got new calipers and that now. I'd have full overall then, wouldn't it? Oh, and this one here, oh, which said I'd open last because I had to give it away. is, I might need some more of this, to be honest. Oh, I will need some more of it. It's brake fluid. Brake fluid? Yeah, brake fluid. So, right. Okay. Still tidying up. What were we going to say? Yeah, put that cupboard on there at the corner, which is lopsided. Typical of me. I'm going to do that cupboard at bottom, you know, the floor bit. So I'm going to put this bit of pipe here. I've done it again, haven't I? I'm pointing to something, you can't see it. Yeah, down there. Cupboard. Floor. Look at that lot. Yeah, this copper pipe, and I can get some bits, and man, you already said that. Yeah, it'll be okay. Right, catch you in a bit.